Joel chapter 2 and verses 17. The priest will get his hands on the altar and on the porch. And declare to God his people, may God spare you. May the Lord spare you. I have a rhema word from God. Peter, rhema kiba wakijje mu kusaba wakijje eri Katonda. You get that word from God directly. Katonda yagambye ku Lwokusatu ku makya. The Lord told me Wednesday morning. Kino ekibbo. This basket kirimu ebinyeebwa. Has got groundnut seeds in it. Jjajja wange, my granny, teyalyanga nsigo. Never used to eat seed. We normally like groundnuts because we are children. We chew them until they are finished. But our granny had her own places. While you're still enjoying the groundnuts, she would come and take our son and say, no, these ones are saved for the next season. The Lord told me to tell you, you're not going to die because you are sick for the next season. Clap your hands right where you are. Noah's Ark, the animals, the birds. Pastor Kayongo taught us here in the pastor's fellowship that God had kept his seeds. When the flood killed everybody, whoever was in the ark, 8 people only. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people were saved for the next season. I declare you are the seed saved for the next season. You are the seed for the next season. When people, do you remember the boat that capsized? I somehow went to Mr. Freeman's house, Thanksgiving. Freeman is a very respected person. But everyone who survived was saying, I wonder why I survived. I wonder why I also did fall in the waters. I was invited as a musician, but the preacher in me was coming out to tell them second chances are not accidental. Katonda akutaliza osobola okukyuka abadde abeera mu ssabo agende mu church, abadde alina abakazi abangi asigazeomu, abadde tawa Katonda atandika ozimba amakanisa. That's why God gives you a second chance. Buli muntu eyali asisinkanyeeko almost death experience. Kabula kataafe. I was about to die. Write this for me. You are not lucky. You were spared. I was almost knocked down by a boulder. Katonda Second chances are not accidental.
There are certain people that the Lord spares.
Prepare for the next season. ogenda kuba muntu w'amaanyi wa mugaso n'eri Katonda n'eri eggwanga lino n'eri famire yo nkinnemu. Ogenda kuba muntu w'amaanyi eri Katonda eri eggwanga lyo n'eri famire yo nkinnemu. Ogenda kuba wa mugaso nnyo. That's why you are seed. You cannot be eaten. You cannot be killed. You are going to be needed. Somebody write this for me. God needs me in the next season.
Who remembers Moses? When they get back to Moses, Pharaoh slaughtered all the young boys, the babies. But the Lord spared Moses. Write this too. There is no soul that the Lord spared without him having a mission for that soul in the future. Everyone that he healed, he gave him something to do for him. Let us mention them. Moses was hidden at the river. Yet he had a mission to go and rescue the children of Israel from Egypt, and he did it. Joseph. His brothers hated Joseph, and they wanted to kill him. But the Lord spared him because he had a mission to accomplish. David, he was a young boy staying in the fields with the beasts and lions. The Lord spared him from being eaten because he had to become king. These ones who are in the ark of Noah, the 8 of them, they had to multiply the world. Jesus himself, when he was Pharaoh slaughtered babies. When Moses made 50 years, on his birthday he was the only one. The rest of them had old age. It was only Moses celebrating 30 years. What saved Moses is because he had a mission ahead of him. Jesus himself was saved because he had to die for us. Who remembers Moses? Moses asked, were you able to rescue the women when you went out to war?
Numbers 1:15. Did you spare the women? Why the women? Because they are weak vessels.
If I'm looking for somebody to carry the speaker, I cannot tell Mildred. I will talk to people who are strong enough to help me carry the speaker. That is why Moses asks, were you able to rescue the women? Were you able to save those people who are weak? Somebody told me they went to hospital because of another spent 1 month in hospital and they asked them may the Lord spare you.
God needs you in the next season.
Somebody is watching me.
You are not going to die because you are a seed for the next season. I forbid you from dying. Zengani, ngogereza wa Katonda waikamo ne Ibrahim ne Isaka. Nkubano okuva ku nsi paka ngokoze emirimu Katonda gyonna. I forbid you. God needs you in the next season. Kigamba abantu basatu mugambe, there is some work you need to do for God. So why does God spare people? He spared Rahab. Rahab was a prostitute.
In the Bible there is a prostitute woman.
God doesn't save only good people.
He spares even the prostitutes. And when you read about this prostitute who is called Rahab,
Joshua 6:25.
Prostitute. The reason as to why she was spared was because she was able to hide the spies and they did not kill them. That means that God will remember you on that day if you have anything to did for him.
Your paycheck comes from God.
Katonda yali kusasula.